Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. So we have to see this nice algebra math equation. So let's start the solution. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b equal to 1 upon 13. We have to find the value of a plus b. A is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. This condition is given here. So let's start the solution. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b equal to 1 upon 13. Now multiplying both sides by AB, multiplying both sides by AB, we get AB in bracket 1 upon A plus 1 upon B equal to 1 upon 13 into AB. AB upon A plus AB upon B equal to AB upon 13. A cancel, here B cancel, here remain B plus A equal to AB upon 13. Multiplying both sides, by 13, we get 13 in bracket B plus A equal to AB divided by 13 into 13. This 13 will be cancelled. Here we get 13B plus 13A equal to AB. Now AB minus 13B minus 13A equal to 0. Adding and subtracting 169. AB minus 13B minus 13A plus 169 minus 169 equal to 0. Now AB minus 13B minus 13A minus 169 minus 169 equal to 0. Here take common B. A minus 13 minus, here we take 13 common, A minus 13 minus 169 equal to 0. A minus 13, so we take here A minus 13, second bracket B minus 13 minus 169 equal to 0. Here transfer this 169 from LHS to RHS. A minus 13, B minus 13 equal to 169. Now here factorizing how we can factorize 169. We can factorize this 1 multiply 169, 169 multiply 1, 13 multiply 13. Here 3 cases will be there. 3 cases will be there. Case 1. A minus 13, B minus 13 equal to case 1, this one. 1 multiply 169. Now A minus 13 equal to 1, B minus 13 equal to 169. A equal to transfer this side 1 plus 13. B equal to 169 plus 13. A equal to 14. B equal to 182. Now A plus B equal to 14 plus 186. 14 plus 182. This is 2, 182. So A plus B equal to 196. So value of A plus B is equal to 196. 2. Case 2 is A minus 13, B minus 13 is equal to 169 multiply 1. A minus 13 equal to 169. B minus 13 equal to 1. Now A equal to 169 plus 13. B equal to 1 plus 13. A equal to 182. B equal to 14. Now value of A plus B equal to 182 plus 14. Hence A plus B equal to 196. Now case 3. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. A minus 13 into B minus 13 equal to 13 into 13. A minus 13 is equal to 13. B minus 13 equal to 13. A equal to 13 plus 13. B equal to 13 plus 13. A equal to 13 plus 13, 26. B equal to 13 plus 13, 26. Subscribe the channel. Now A plus B is equal to 26 plus 26. Hence A plus B equal to 52. A plus B is equal to 52. If you are new on the channel, so you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the whole video. Here we are getting the three values of A plus B. So these are the three values of A plus B, 1, 2 and 3.